You are 12 hours into a grueling shift. You just want to go home. But as you prepare to pass on your patients, your relief arrives early, tapping their watch, radiating impatience, and already judging your work. When you are exhausted and under pressure, relying on your memory is a mistake. Shuffling through a pocket full of disorganized handwritten notes gives a hostile colleague the perfect opening to interrupt, interrogate, and second-guess you. You do not have to rely on memory. By filtering your shift data through digital tools, you can place a wall of objective evidence between yourself and an aggressive coworker. To build this defense, you need a specific toolkit: an AI scribe, a pharmacology database, a clinical calculator, and a scheduling app. Anchoring your handover in hard data removes the traditional pressure of the memory test. This neutralizes the toxic power dynamic and guarantees an on-time exit. Step 1 is establishing a rigid pace. An aggressive colleague wants to rush you and poke holes in your narrative. You prevent this by strictly controlling how the information is delivered. Before your relief even walks up to the desk, you can organize your chaotic shift thoughts using an AI documentation assistant like NurseMagic. Feed your scattered observations into the tool, and the AI snaps the raw data into a standardized SOAP note: subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. Once generated, keep your eyes on the screen and read directly down the document. Maintain a steady rhythm. By locking your delivery into a strict, predictable format, you deny them the conversational gaps they need to launch a snarky interruption. Step 2 deals with targeted skepticism. A common hostility tactic is to scoff at a complex medication cocktail you administered and demand an explanation. Never attempt to defend pharmacological interactions from memory. If you stumble over a half-remembered half-life or contraindication, you lose your clinical authority instantly. Instead, defer to an impartial arbiter. Keep a trusted drug reference app like Epocrates or Davis's Drug Guide queued up on your phone. This drug interaction checker displays exactly how you handle the challenge. You simply input the medications, let the scanner run, and show them that the software has cleared it. Pivoting to the drug reference database shifts the point of friction. If the colleague still disputes the dose, they are arguing with the software's verified data rather than your clinical judgment. Step 3 addresses the highest level of handover hostility: a direct attack on your clinical judgment and the interventions you chose to prioritize. You counter this by backing your actions with evidence-based medical calculators, like MDCalc, to prove your interventions were mathematically justified. In this calculator, you see the CURB-65 criteria. Instead of vaguely describing breathing, toggle specific clinical signs, like respiratory rate and blood pressure, generating a hard, quantified severity score. Point to the output. A score of 3 maps directly to the protocol for severe cases. Substituting your personal opinion for peer-reviewed protocol changes the nature of the confrontation. You are no longer defending a hunch, you are simply explaining a professional requirement. Step 4 is terminating complete. The handover is complete the moment your structured data has been delivered and clinical questions have been answered with objective evidence. Do not linger at the nurse's station. Staying longer than necessary only invites further complaints and drains whatever emotional energy you have left. Looking at this scheduling interface in an app like NurseGrid, you can officially mark the shift complete. It confirms your duty is fulfilled. Once that strict digital criteria is met, simply state that the handover is finished, turn, and confidently walk away. Setting and enforcing these strict digital boundaries protects your time off. You leave the unit physically, and you leave the stress behind. When you step through those hospital doors, your shift is truly over. You have successfully navigated the handover without absorbing your colleagues' hostility. You get the peace of mind you earned, and despite their attitude, the incoming nurse has been left with an accurate, highly detailed patient profile. Relying on mobile tech takes the emotion out of the process. You systematically strip away the subjective friction and execute a clean, efficient transfer of care. Download these tools before your next rotation. Treat your digital preparation as a mandatory clinical skill, and you will never be held hostage by a rude handover again.
Subscribe to Scrub IQ for more content like this.